Welcome to the Casper College Library. Here's how you find peer-reviewed articles in the PsycARTICLES database. PsycARTICLES is a collection of peer-reviewed psychology research articles that are also full text, meaning that they are available to read on demand. The library has access to nearly 200 databases, but we're just working in one particular database today called PsycARTICLES. Starting on our homepage, which you can find at caspercollege.edu/library, scroll down to the Quick Links section. Click on Database A to Z List, which is the complete list of every database you can access through the library. From there, look over at the right side of the screen where our featured databases are listed. PsycARTICLES is one of our most heavily used collections, and it's the last in our featured databases list. At this point, if you are off campus or on campus on a mobile device, you may be asked for a username and password. This is the same username and password that you use to access My CC Info. When you do a search, you'll see a list of results. From here, we can make some more choices to narrow our list of results. For science-related articles, it's common to limit the results to the last 5 years. In PsycARTICLES, you can do this by changing the time period under the search box to your chosen time period. Clicking on the title of the article will show you the information about it, including the abstract. The abstract is that summary which helps you decide if this article really fits your topic. Under the title are two options for reading the full article. Under access options, you can read it as a PDF or online full text without having to download it. But if you're sure this is the article for you, you can go straight to download. As well, almost all of our databases have a way to help you create your citation. In PsycARTICLES, if you click on this set of quotation marks here and choose the style that you need, in psychology that's going to be APA, you can copy and paste this reference into your reference list. Remember that these are machine generated and there are frequently typos in there. So while this will save you some time in creating your reference list, there are frequent typos that you'll find by comparing this citation to the official APA manual or using a tool like the Purdue OWL. And that's it. If you ever get stuck or have any questions, feel free to get in touch with one of your Casper College librarians.